Hello, a few people have asked me about this, so I thought I'd do a very quick video talking about how to automate your aux tracks or buses within Logic. It's really simple, really easy to do. Let's go to it. Okay, so here we are in Logic. As we all know, usually just to automate any track you have, you hit A and everything is going to appear there and you can start to make all your changes and have a lovely, lovely time. But if you're trying to automate a bus or an aux, it's a little bit different. So let's go over to the mixer. I've got a whole load of buses over here. Hopefully you can see that. I've just selected one of them. This is a drum bus. And all you need to do firstly is you need to just turn it into a track so it appears on the track screen. So go up the top here to Options, create tracks for selected channel strips, and now on your track screen here it is. This is my drum bus. Put it at the top there, make it nice and big, and now hit A and you can automate it in any way you like, just like you would with any other track. So you've got all your basics there, and then you've got all your automation with any plugins that you've got loaded on the track. So it is as simple as that. Like I said, just a quick one today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, till next time, bye for now.